Hello friends, hope your preparation for your examination is going on very well. Today we have come to the third part of our video series for IBPS PO Prelims Examination 2019-20. Hope you would have seen the earlier videos. If you have not seen, please do visit the site for other videos. In yesterday's video we have covered the English section, and in today's video we will be starting the chapters for quantitative aptitude. Today we will be covering the chapter Time and Work. It's one of the major section in quantitative aptitude. Most of the questions in your examination comes from this section. If you are thorough and clear with this section, it will be very easy for you to clear the required cutoffs. As you can see, in the prelims exam, you will be having quantitative aptitude with 35 number of questions, having 35 marks. The time allotted will be 20 minutes. This section will be available both in English and Hindi. Those who are comfortable in Hindi medium, they can opt for the Hindi and proceed further. So the various sections in quantitative aptitude are as displayed: work and time, profit and loss, mixed and allegation, simple interest and compound interest, time and distance, mensuration, data interpretation, ratio, proportion, percentage, number system, sequence and series, permutation, combination, probability. These are the major sections which come under quantitative aptitude. If you are clear with all these sections, then you have a very bright chance of clearing the exam. It will help you not only during your prelims, but questions from these chapters in depth will be asked in your mains exam also. So understanding each section separately is very important. In this time and work section, I've selected some questions. Each question will be of different type. You can just go through these questions and practice more of each question. Do mock test, and if you are clear, then you can go to the next section. So here the first question we have in time and work section. This is the first type. Worker A takes 8 hours to do a job. Worker B takes 10 hours to do the same job. And the question will be, how much time would it take both A and B working together but independently to do the same job? Whenever you get questions like this, to get A's or B's work, you just have to divide the given time taken . It's considered that the complete work done is 1, and the time taken by any worker is to be divided by 1, and you get the time which is taken by a single worker. So as A takes 8 hours to complete the job. So A's 1 hour work will be 1 by 8 hours. Same way B takes 10 hours to complete the same job. So B's 1 hour work will be 1 by 10. And combining both, if you add both, you will get both combined 1 hour work. That is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10, you get 9 by 40. And this combined work of both A and B. So A and B will be able to finish the work. Just reciprocate the answer which you get. 9 by 40 reciprocates to 40 by 9. So the answer is 40 by 9 days. Same way, if you get for 3 people, like A and B and C can complete a work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Working together, how much time will they take to do the same work? So just the same, A plus B plus C's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 24 A means to A's work, 1 by 6 B's, and 1 by 12 C's work. If you add all the 3, you will get 7 by 24. So all of them combined will complete the work. Will reciprocate the answer. You will get 24 by 7 days. The next question, the combined time is given and time taken by one person is given, and you have to calculate the time taken by the other person. Here A and B can together complete the work in 4 days. So the work done by A and B in 1 day is 1 by 4. A alone can complete the work in 12 days. So in 1 day it's 1 by 12. How many days B alone? So combined is 1 by 4. A's is 1 by 12. You just have to subtract A's work from their combined work. It is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12 is 1 by 6. Hence B can complete the work. Reciprocate the answer, you will get 6 days. Here days and time are mixed, so it's a different type of question. A can do a piece of work in 7 days of 9 hours each, and B can do it in 6 days of 72 hours each. How long will they take to do it together? Working together 42 by 5 hours a day. So A completes the work 7 days working 9 hours. So A can complete the work in 7 into 9 equal to 63 hours. Same way B can do it in 6 days 7 hours each. So B can complete the work in 6 into 7 42 hours. This for combined hours, and for A's 1 hour work you just have to divide 1 by 63, and for B's 1 hour work you have to divide this 42 by 1 by 42. And if you combine both, you will get A and B's 1 hour work, which is 1 by 63 plus 1 by 42 is 5 by 126. So both will finish the work. Again, you have to reciprocate 126 by 5. So they have asked for 42 by 5 hours. So just multiply 126 by 5 into 40. Number of days you get 42 by 5. You have to divide this by 42 by 5. You will get 5 by 42. It's equal to 3 days. Next question. A does the work in 10 days and B does the same in 15 days. How many days they'll together do the same work? So A's 1 day's work is 1 by 10, B's 1 day's work is 1 by 15. A plus B's 1 day's work will be 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, 1 by 6. So both will complete the work in reciprocating this answer 6 days. We have a question. A tire has 2 punctures. The first puncture alone would have made the tire flat in 9 minutes, and the second one would have alone did it in 6 minutes. If air leaks out at a constant rate, how long does it take both the punches to make the tire flat? Same time and work methods are to be applied. One minute work of the first puncher will be 1 by 9 minutes, and 1 minute work of the second puncher will be 1 by 6 minutes, and their combined time will be 1 by 9 plus 1 by 6 equal to 5 by 18. So the puncher will obviously make the tire flat in reciprocating the answer 18 by 5 minutes. Now we have got a question where men and women are combined. 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women can complete it in 10 days. In how many days will 10 women complete the work? So here we are considering one man's 1 day work will be X and one woman's 1 day work will be Y. So in the first, 4 men and 6 women complete it in 8 days. So we multiply X by 4, 4 men, and Y by 6, 6 women to complete the work in 8 days. That's 1 by 8. 3 men and 7 women in 10 days, 3x plus 7y equal to 1 by 10. Solving these two equations, we get x equal to 11 by 400 and y is equal to 1 by 400. Then y is woman's work, so one woman's 1 day work will be 1 by 400. The was for 10 women, so just multiply it by 10, you will get 1 by 40. And the final answer, as we did earlier, reciprocating this answer, 10 women will complete the work in 40 days. Here's a different type of question. A can finish a work in 18 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. B worked for 10 hours and left the job. In how many days A alone can finish the work? So B worked for 10 days. We'll first find out B's 10 days work. Which is 1 by 15 into 10, it's 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is work done by B. The total work is 1. And if you reduce the work done by B from 1, you'll get the remaining work. That's 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. A can finish it in 18 days. Now A would have to do the remaining work. So 1 by 18 work will be done by A in 1 day. So left over 1 by 3 work will be done by A in 18 into 1 by 3 equal to 6 days. Next question. A and B can together finish a work in 30 days. They work together for 20 days and then B left. After another 20 days, A finished the remaining work. In how many days will A alone can finish the work? Here A plus B's 20-day work will be 1 by 30 into 20 equal to 2 by 3. The remaining work will be 1 as given in the last question. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Now after 20 days, it's 1 by 3 work will be done by A in 20 days. Therefore the whole work will be done by A in 20 into 3 equal to 60 days. P can complete a work in 12 days working 8 hours a day. Q can complete the same work in 8 days working 10 hours a day. If P and Q work together working 8 hours a day, in how many days will they complete the work? As seen in the last question, P can complete the work in 12 days working 8 hours. So 12 into 8 equal to 96. Same way Q gets 8 into 10, 80 hours. So P's 1 hour's work will be 1 by 96 and Q's will be 1 by 80. Combined both will be 11 by 480. And if you come to work, just reciprocating the answer, 480 by 11. So the question they have asked, if both work together for 8 hours a day and how many days. So just multiplicating the answer, 480 by 11 into 1 by 8, which you get 60 by 11 days. Same way again, a piece of work can be done by 6 men and 5 women in 6 days and 3 men and 4 women in 10 days. So 9 men and 15 women, how many days will that take? 1 man, as we have done earlier, 1 man 1 day work will be X, 1 woman 1 day work will be Y. So making an equation, quadratic equation, 6x plus 5y equal to 1 by 6, 3x plus 4y equal to 1 by 10. On solving we get x equal to 1 by 54 and y is equal to 1 by 90. So 9 men and 15 women's 1 day's work will be 9 into 1 by 54 is 9 by 54 plus 15 into 1 by 90 equal to 15 by 90, which is equal to 1 by 3. So 9 1 and 15 women finish the work in 3 days, reciprocating this answer. So that's all for today's video. We'll come with a next chapter of quantitative aptitude in our next video. Do subscribe and like this video to get updates. Thank you.